Today is expectation day. The engine's supposed to be showing up, which is a big deal. We're ready for it, and we need it now.
Hey guys, your engine's here.
Do you want to open this thing and see what we've got in here, Zach? Well, now we've got a real live engine. We've got to offer it up to the car, and it's a lovely piece. And it should just nest in the back of the car and just make sure that CAD and reality all meet. All right, look at this. The engine, as the heart of the car, has to be light. The whole car was conceived around a very small, lightweight, low displacement engine, and this is the perfect engine. Oh yes.
The engine in the Deltawing is a Nissan 1.6 DI turbo, very similar in structure to the engines that we've got in our Duke product.
It's a 4-cylinder, it's a 1.6 litre, it's turbocharged to give us the power and very high efficiency. It has direct injection, which gives us a very good boost in efficiency. And it's only going to rev to around 7,500 RPM, so just like a road engine today. So we can get away with that tiny little fuel cell doing nearly 110 miles around Le Mans. So that's exciting. It's a bloody good little design that was all laid out.
First real honest day of engine installation, sort of problem solving. I think the satisfaction will come when we fire the engine for the first time.
Is it your birthday today, Zach?
It is, Gary. So we better get this thing lit up. So that's all I asked for.
Ready, clear. Happy birthday, Zach.
Yeah.
Thank you, Gary. Actually, thank you all for that matter. Hard to start it for the first time, so it's a pretty massive accomplishment. We have an engine, it's in the car, it runs. It's a big day. I mean, it's many big days to come, and it's good.